with the evolution of the enterprise, now we have different challenges and similarities that have carried over through the years. So we're going to take a few minutes today and just go over the differences between a legacy delivery model and an as service delivery model. And it's important that you understand these two terms. A legacy delivery model is the model that we're using today. And I use the word delivery because that is what we do with IT, information technology. We deliver a service. We deliver email. We deliver a search engine. We deliver a database. We deliver pictures of the grandchildren. Whatever it is that we're delivering, it is a delivery model. And so illustrated here on the screen, you'll see the two delivery models. Legacy delivery model, which many environments are in today, and then the as service delivery model on the right hand of the screen. So let's focus on the legacy delivery model for a moment. When we access the legacy delivery model, we accessed it typically through a restricted access to a specific network or maybe multiple networks, but we knew exactly where we were going because all of our resources, as illustrated here, are enterprise applications, perhaps our big data or data analysis, our software applications, other types of enterprise level applications, open source, OpenStack, our virtualization, all of it spawned from our data center. We didn't call it infrastructure as a service. We just called it our data center, right? Or our computer room or our network. And that is what happened. And that's how we accessed it. And then we've shifted here in the last couple of years, and I believe we're going to continue to shift into what we call an as a service delivery model. And we see things popping up. We see public clouds, private clouds. We see data analytics, the open source and open stack, those type of software delivery. And we see a newer term come out, converged networks, software-defined networks. Hey, come on. It's all the same stuff. We've added some automation. We've added some security. We've made it better. But at the end of the day, it still runs and is powered by the technology that IT has trusted for decades. Many of those technology providers, IBM, Dell, and of course HP, have provided these technologies for decades. So what has really changed? Well, there's been many things that have changed from the legacy delivery model to the as service model. One of the frustrations and things that you must be aware of is how are you matching these delivery models to your business need. One size does not fit all. We're going to have to take a combination of both and live in a hybrid of the legacy delivery and the as service delivery models. We could take advantage in the as a service delivery model, perhaps on some cost efficiencies. Maybe we put our test and dev out in a cloud, for example. But some of the enterprise applications will need to stay in our legacy environment, maybe because of latency, older applications, and a whole bunch of other reasons. So whatever it is, whichever model that we decide to deliver a service, we need to be very clear that that delivery is still based on the same technology that we've used for years. So not a whole lot has changed in that realm. One last important thing to understand here, as you talk and communicate with your service providers, your hardware provider, your integrator, your local IT shop, whoever it is that's making these decisions, keep in mind these things. One, how is it that you're going to deliver that service? Two, is the as a service delivery model something that you're interested in? Three, is this technology that I have today and that I'm purchasing tomorrow going to move in and down the road to the area that I want to be in 3 years from now? So for example, are you thinking about doing more data analytics, big data? Well, most companies are, most organizations and federal agencies are. But are you buying your storage infrastructure that's going to support that movement in the future. I'm not talking about old storage area networks and things of that nature. I'm talking about the type of storage and compute that data analytics specifically uses. Are you preparing yourself in your acquisitions today to become more agile in the future? If you're not, send me an email. I can help you out, view a couple more of these videos, and get control of the IT environment. And just remember, at the end of the day, we're still powered by the same technology that we've used for years.